Visit friend at hospital. Sarah's heart throbbed with a cocktail of anticipation and anxiety as she pushed open the door to the quaint little flower shop nestled on the corner of Maple Street. The delicate chime of the bell overhead announced her arrival, cutting through the heavy fog of her thoughts. She inhaled deeply, allowing the floral fragrance to soothe her nerves. Sarah was on a mission to find the perfect bouquet for Tammy, her childhood friend who had just undergone surgery to remove skin cancer. As she navigated through the labyrinth of vibrant blossoms, her mind wandered to Tammy. Sarah admired her friend's unwavering spirit and how, even in the face of adversity, Tammy's laughter could light up the darkest of rooms. The thought of that light dimmed by pain clenched Sarah's heart. She brushed her fingers over soft petals, each texture reminding her of Tammy's resilience. "Can I help you find something?" The florist's gentle voice pulled Sarah from her reverie. "I need something special." Sarah's voice was a soft whisper. "For my friend who's fighting a tough battle." The florist, with a knowing smile, presented her with a bouquet of yellow roses, symbolizing friendship and joy, intertwined with white lilies, signifying rebirth and hope. Sarah's eyes glistened with unshed tears. It was perfect. Clutching the bouquet like a lifeline, Sarah made her way to the hospital. The sterile, antiseptic smell of the corridors was a stark contrast to the floral haven she just left. Her heart pounded in her chest as she approached Tammy's room. Taking a deep breath, she gently knocked on the door. "Come in." Tammy's voice was faint but warm. Sarah entered and was immediately struck by the sight of her friend. Tammy, pale and fragile in the hospital bed, still managed a weak smile. The room was silent for a moment, the air heavy with words unspoken. "These are for you," Sarah finally said, offering the bouquet as a tender testament to their friendship. Tammy's eyes sparkled, reflecting the vibrant colors of the flowers. "They're beautiful, Sarah. Just like our friendship." The two women shared a smile, an unspoken understanding passing between them. They talked for hours, reminiscing about old times, laughing at shared memories, and occasionally letting tears fall. In the sanctity of that hospital room, they found comfort in each other's presence, a reminder that no battle was too daunting when faced together. As the visit came to an end, Sarah squeezed Tammy's hand gently. "You're not alone in this. Remember, every flower needs time to bloom. Your spring is just around the corner," she whispered, her words a gentle promise. Tammy's grip tightened, a silent acknowledgement of the battle ahead and the unyielding support beside her. "Thank you for bringing spring to me," she murmured. Sarah stepped out into the corridor. Outside, the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of hope and resilience. Sarah walked away, her heart heavy yet hopeful, knowing that in the beauty of the flowers and the strength of their friendship, Tammy had found her beacon of hope, her reminder that after every storm, there blooms a flower.